Follow these steps to replace your GVC1 control board. Begin by opening the door and powering off your machine. Pull off the control board cover. Take a picture of all the connections so you'll know where to reconnect the wires and harnesses. Next, unplug everything from the control board. Remove the control board from the 6 latches, 3 on each side. Push each latch to the side so you can take off the control board. To attach the new control board, press the board into place behind the 6 latches. Now reattach the connections. Refer to the picture you took earlier to know where each connection goes. Here is the power connector. I-vent sensors, MDB, keypad, refrigeration, and decks. To put the cover on, line the tabs into the slots and push into place. With the new board connection secure, you can now start the initial programming for your machine. Perform a motor count. Configure the selections for either can or bottle. Confirm the temperature setting is cold. Set the correct prices. Power the machine on and enter service mode. Then press 2 to perform a motor count. You will now see the number of motors the machine detects here on the display. For the model 3578 can bottle machine, you need to make sure each selection correctly matches with the can or bottle setting in service mode. Press 4 on your keypad to enter your machine's configuration mode. Decide if you want to set the selections to can or bottle. To set all selections to the same setting, press 3. Press 1 to toggle between can or bottle selections. Press pound to save and star to back up. To set an individual selection to can or bottle, press 1. Enter the selection number you want to change. Press 1 to toggle to can or bottle. Once you've made your selection, press pound to save. You can tap the star button 3 times to exit. To access the refrigeration menu, press 4 and 0. The password is 2314. Press 7 to go to the refrigeration menu. The correct setting is cold. Press 7 if you need to scroll through the options. Once you've made your selection, press pound to save. You can tap the star button 3 times to exit. Press 5 to enter pricing mode. You can choose to price the whole machine or an individual selection. Press 1 to price an individual item. Enter the selection number you want to price. Now enter the new price for the selection. Press pound to save. Press star to exit. Press 3 to set a price for all the items in the machine. Enter the new price. Press pound to save. Press star to exit.